Yo, what's going on? I have a quick unboxing today of this Drevo Falcon Wireless. This was provided to me for free to check out. This is just an unboxing video, however, that doesn't affect any of my opinions or didn't influence anything I say in this unboxing, as well as the review that should be coming in the next few weeks. So make sure to subscribe if you want to check that out. So let's just go over the specs here. So we're running 2.4 wireless. It's a lightweight, so it's a honeycomb design lightweight mouse. It's at 90 grams, it has RGB, 20 million clicks, so it's durable clicks, 40 gram acceleration. I think it's running a 433-35 sensor, so it's a pretty high-end sensor. And yeah, I have it actually in white. The box says it's black, but I actually have it in white. Yeah, sorry about the quality. This isn't going to be as good quality as normal because I'm away from my normal setup and that, so sorry about that. The review should be as good as normal though, which is nice. But I just wanted to get this unboxing out because there isn't actually any videos on this product on YouTube or anywhere really. So yeah, so first of all we get the manual, Falcon Wireless. Just tells you some of the buttons, scroll wheel, all of that, warranty. If you want to read that, if you need help, there's that there. And the mouse itself is there. I think it comes with a Drevo sticker, if you're about that sticker life, which is quite cool. And that is all in the box. So let's go to this, and this looks really nice in white, and it comes with an ultra lightweight cable too. If I show that to you guys, that looks really nice, this white finish, matte white. Cable here is, this is like a really good like paracord cable here. I have a model, it's type C as well, USB type C, which is pretty cool. I have a glorious model over here, so you can see this cable here. This is a paracord style cable, and this one is very similar except in white, which is really cool. So initial impressions are, this is nice. Let me get it out. I really like this color. It's got PTFE feet, I think, white feet. I'll make sure I do a full test in the review, which will be coming up shortly, but so far this white looks really nice. Matte finish. Clicks feel cool. Scroll wheel feels really nice. It's very lightweight, like 90 grams, and it's obviously no cable. Feels really good. There's your type C port. Here's your overall design. Looks really nice. On and off switch. I'll turn it on for you guys now. So leave that cable there. I'll just put that out of the way. But I can turn it on. Here's the RGB. I think that means it's trying to connect. I don't have the receiver. The receiver's here, but I haven't inserted it into my PC or anything at the moment. But yeah, here's the mouse here. It looks really nice in white. Very nice. In fact, here's the glorious Model O. In comparison, as you can see, the shapes quite similar actually. This one has a slightly higher hump, but other than that, this reminds me a bit of a I think this is a G Pro Wireless shape, Logitech G Pro Wireless. So here's a good comparison here if you want to compare with a glorious Model O. But yeah, so far this looks really good. I'll make sure I link my full in-depth review in the comments and in the description after that comes out. Should be out in a couple weeks. After I test this, I'm going to use this for a couple weeks every day, see how it performs. And yeah, so far first impressions, it looks really nice. Quality feels good. Not any creaks or anything, feels pretty solid. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to ask any questions. There aren't any videos on this mouse yet, so if you guys want to ask anything, let me know and I'll try and answer that. And I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.